Welcome to this rarely available 2-unit condo in the heart of Sunset District, where timeless charm meets modern conveniences. My name is Pauline Ha, your San Francisco Bay Area real estate advisor. Each spacious unit offers 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, a formal living and dining room, updated kitchens, in-unit laundry, and cozy fireplaces. With no HOA, a self-managed setup, a ground-level studio, and a 2-car side-by-side garage, this home is perfect for multi-generational living, live-rent potential, or full investment opportunity. Don't miss out on owning this very unique property in one of the most vibrant neighborhoods. Reach out for your private showing today.